Welcome. If you're looking to stop your phone from vibrating every time you get a product announcements notification from Instagram, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the updated steps to disable vibration for product announcements notifications on Instagram. First, unlock your phone and head straight to Settings. This is where you control how your apps behave, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Tap on it. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, scroll through the list and look for Instagram. When you find it, tap to open its settings. Inside the Instagram settings, you'll see several options. Tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize how and when Instagram notifies you. Now look for notification categories. This option lets you fine-tune notifications for different types of Instagram activity. Tap on it to continue. Scroll down until you find the Product Announcements option. This category controls notifications about new features, updates, and product news from Instagram. Tap on Product Announcements. Here, you'll see different notification settings specific to this category. Look for the Vibrate toggle. To disable vibration, simply toggle the Vibrate option off. This means your phone will no longer vibrate when you receive a product announcements notification from Instagram. That's it. You've successfully turned off vibration for product announcements notifications. You'll still get notified, but your phone will stay silent and won't buzz every time Instagram wants to share product news. If you want to make similar changes for other Instagram notification types, just repeat these steps and select the category you want to adjust. Customizing your notification settings helps you stay focused and avoid unnecessary interruptions, while still keeping you up to date with what matters most. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your quieter Instagram experience.